Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm not speaking loudly because not everyone's awake, but I'm currently on holiday in Scotland and I just thought I'd do a kind of study with me day in the life of me in Scotland because I might be away on holiday, but I have my thesis to write and I can't afford to take the whole week off because I have already had a week's holiday. So I'm just going to do bits and bobs of work here and there during the day, and it's genuinely the most beautiful place and the scenery is stunning. Oh, it's just amazing. Look at the view out my bedroom window. Imagine waking up to this every day. Oh god. Also, I've never had a four-poster bed before. I've literally just rolled out of it, hence the fact that it's not made, but wow. Am I staying in Bridgerton? Good morning. This way. I decided I should do a HIIT workout right now and I've got my little workout partner, Brody. Come say hi. So I'm just gonna do maybe a Joe Wicks. I think we'll go for a walk, so I'm not gonna do anything too strenuous. Then I'll have a coffee, breakfast. I'm currently working on my method section of my dissertation, which is taking me longer than it was meant to, but I am on holiday, so I also want to make the most of being away.
I don't think like that, she says to me. I can't help but feel the subtleties. So if it all expires, I guess the date's not what it seems. But I can't help it, boy, she says to me.
Currently at Trachea House's maze in the gardens, and honestly I was quite bored of walking around in circles, so I shimmied through that hole.
And if I've made just one mistake, it's not speaking with my chest. And maybe I'll just cry a little less. Tension headaches always get to me, often leave me dazed and wondering. So do you mind if we rewind? 'Cause my mind's on other things, but I'm not sure you'd find them interesting. And maybe I should practice how I feel instead of trying to reinvent the wheel. I know I overcomplicate, but simplicity's surreal. It doesn't seem to me too big a deal. I'm sorry if this all feels like a game. Maybe
Go on then.
this whole quarantine's to blame.
So we're going for that one.
I don't know if you still love me, but I still feel the same. But it's worth
Who won?
how I feel today.
Green.
Me!
2 balls.
I won.
Will I float like
No,
these
best 2 balls.
No, I won!
Or will I sink as soon as I jump in?
Good afternoon. I can only apologise for my post-shower attire. This is a nice shirt. It's not my shirt, it's my boyfriend's shirt. But I am having a bit of an eczema flare-up and I need a cotton shirt. It helps. So if any of you've got eczema and you're having a bit of a day, put on your cream and then put on a cotton shirt. And don't itch. That's easier said than done. I'm gonna spend the next hour updating my lab book because I need to plan my results section. My methods is done and the results is honestly quite daunting because I have results, but they're not coherent and I need to actually learn to read CT scans, which would help if I could download them because the Wi-Fi here is awful. So I'm really struggling to download these CT scans that I've been sent, but we're getting there slowly, and if I update my logbook, plan my results section, then at least that's achieving something. It's also gone really dark because it's started raining and there is thunder forecast for this afternoon, which I really like. I love thunder, and if we get thunder and lightning with this view, I think that will be quite exciting. Oh, I do have something to show you actually, it's quite gross. So, trigger warning, dead bat.
What did he say?
That's not a trigger warning I ever thought I'd have to say, but in this here vase, we have a little dead bat. The reason I found this is because I was looking at this like, what in the world is that? Well, here we have a dead bat that absolutely stinks. Ew. It smells really bad, but I don't know what to do with it. Oh no! On an evening walk. Yeah, that does actually look a bit... It's rolling in. But this side looks good. Doesn't it? Oh! This path should take us down to the river. And the river's pretty. That's the house we're staying in up there. So it's right next to where we are. So if the rain comes, we can just leg it. Except I don't run, so I'll just get wet. It's one of those prehistoric trees. Dinosaur trees.
Okay.
I've been left behind because I'm talking about trees.
The direction we were moving was clear now. Without wanting...
Hello, I'm currently sat outside. It's 9 PM and I'm just waiting for tea to be ready with a glass of champagne and my work. But it's just absolutely beautiful here. It's such a nice day and it's meant to rain for the rest of the week, so I thought I'd make the most of it and sit outside during golden hour while it's still like 25 degrees. Okay, not that warm, 20 degrees. Warm enough.
Without wanting to, without even knowing it, we were becoming a gang. Some boys began to drink beer and whiskey. It made us blood brothers. Gave us a name.